987. The source code is right down here. It is speedrun code review time. So first of all, in the top level constant macros, we have the section, did I mean to do it that way? Yes, I fucking did. Constant, any base, center level pack, origin X, origin Y, and origin index. Origin index is the one-dimensional representation of origin X and Y, okay? We're going to make sure that this hex value is equal to this, and we'll make sure that this calculation is equal to this right here, right? And so everything is equal to whatever. Let's move the fuck on. We're going to run out of time. Illegal stuff goes straight to jail. Not a fucking mistake. Starts with geo. We have all these permutations. So this constant is a valid name, right? Constant, geo-base, bomb-base, and fad-base. Central level pack, origin X. Constant, geo-base, bomb-base, fad-base, central level. These are all valid, right? Like, these could be the thing, but it's not. We're going to use any base, center level pack, origin X. Any base, center level pack, origin Y. Any base, center level pack, origin index. So we took all these permutations of geo-base, bomb-base, and fad-base for origin X, origin Y, and origin index, and we just created all three of these clusters, right? So 2 clusters in geo, 2 clusters in this bomb section, and then we got these 2 clusters down here in the fad section right here, okay? So just the wrong variable names. That's what this section is. Okay, in geo-base constants, we're going to make sure that geo-base center level pack, origin X, origin Y, and index is equal to any base, origin X, origin Y, and origin index. Then in bomb-base constants, bomb-base center level pack, origin X, origin Y, and origin index equal to any base, origin X, origin Y, origin index. Lastly, fad-base constants, fad-base center level pack, origin X, origin Y, index equal to any base, center level pack, origin X, origin Y, and index, right? So we're just making it absolutely fucking clear that the fact that in these 3 constant sections, all the values are the same, that's not a mistake, and I want to make that absolutely fucking clear. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. You need to like and subscribe because I'm making something fucking awesome. You see this? You see this bomb game we're working on? I am remaking this in my own engine. I made this game back in 2012, and we're making it fucking better. We're making our own engine. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine.